got your Galaxy Fold 7 and you need a cover. And probably the most popular cover I think that they had at the entire event was this carbon shield case. It's supposed to be like ultra thin and, you know, carbon fiber. Is it really carbon fiber? Sometimes it's not. It might be a... I mean, carbon fiber is a composite material. But I suppose it's carbon fiber. Like, it doesn't say on the back. It says, one of the other languages here, it says, cocked en fibre de carbone. So that's, sounds like it's carbon fiber. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's like cold to the touch. Oh, this is the rim. It's like, it's a metal rim. So all of the cases that I've reviewed so far, and you can go check those out on a playlist, come with 2 screen protectors, which is very nice because the official Samsung ones don't have a cover protector over here. It doesn't cover this half of the device. It only covers the back half of the fold. So I think it's just so that, you know, the hinges, it's hard to put a hinge on it. They don't want it to look bulky or feel bulky. Yeah, and also I kind of like it. I mean, it's not the best from a protecting perspective, but I kind of like it because it gives it a lip for us to open. And I've really enjoyed that of all the cases we reviewed. But it's great that they've got the screen protectors in it. I applied a screen protector in one of the previous videos terribly, so don't mock me on it. I plan on reapplying a new one, but for the case of these videos, you can, I don't know, say something horrible to me in the comments about it. I really struggle with screen protectors in general. Anyway, so this is the case. It's yeah, I'm not sure if this is carbon fiber or not. It says carbon shield. I'm gonna say that it's very likely carbon fiber, but I can't tell. The easiest way to kind of have the giveaway is that it's on both sides, this texture, which is generally something a carbon fiber do, and it's got like a metal rim around the cameras, not individual holes, but the you know, just around the whole camera bump. And it is extremely thin. It is extraordinarily thin. Yeah, wow. Okay. I don't think they. Jeez, that is a thin case. That is very thin. So, just like the other ones, it's like 1/10 of a millimeter over the camera bump that kind of protected. You don't want the camera bump to be too big because it sits on a table. It wobbles. But it is thin. You can. The only reason you know it's there is because it's got a different texture. So strange. But I think a lot of people are going to go for this because it really is remarkable. I don't know. Can you see that? That is a remarkably thin case. It'll look much better on the black phone. But if you're looking for protection, definitely from scratches, and if you drop this, it's unlikely to crack because of the carbon fiber. All the holes are in the correct places. The fingerprint sensor is easily accessible on the side. I do recommend like redoing your fingerprints when you put a cover on, just because you might have a different angle. But it's so thin, this one, it doesn't really require it. Even if you see it from the top, you can see how little it goes up on the sides. It doesn't. It has a little bit of grip for you to open it up. The other ones, like the clear cases and the clear magnetic case, they have a more of a lip here, so it's easier to grasp. I just don't like this. Look at that. It's like coming off there, and it's not because it's on incorrectly. It's on correctly. It's just not seating inside here. That might not be a big problem for you. You might open your phone from here, but I open it from the middle, and I would just bend this thing constantly. Ooh, that's not fun. Don't like that. Why did they not put it over here? That's very annoying. It doesn't even have stick. You know, sometimes these cases have little stickers on the inside. It didn't have stickers on the rim. No. That would prevent that, to be honest. It is a nice looking case. That is probably the biggest annoyance. Wow. I actually would not get this case because of that. But that's just because where I open it up. If you're not that kind of person, if you open it up like this, you don't have that issue. But I do not want to bend this case as I use it. But if you want a thin case, this is probably one of the thinnest you're going to get. Well, from Samsung, officially. Spigen do have a thin case, and we'll have a look at that. It even has a cover. So I'll do that in another video. But in the meantime, what do you think? If you want to help this channel and you are keen on getting it, please follow the links in the description. It really does help us. We make affiliate revenue from that. And if you want to see more cases that could help you out, check out the playlist that this video is in, or check out the channel and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in another video. Cheers.